Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import a Notion template. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for a wide variety of things, such as creating your own task list or to-do list. You can write down your journal with daily entries, you can create documents, you can create a reading list, you can create a calendar, and so on and so forth. There's a wide variety of things to do, and you can do this by actually using templates. Now, the way you use templates is when you create a new page, you select which template you want that page to be or to use. And as you can see, I have the templates button here and you can access it through here. However, if you just go into add a page and select from the new page, you can select a template. This is pretty much the same thing, except when you open it through this, it will automatically create a new page for you once you select a template, and here you can just select a template and it will change the page for you. Now, once you're here, just click onto templates, as I've said, and here you have a wide variety of templates which you can use for a wide variety of things. You can select whether you want it for work, school, personal things, projects, as a wiki, as documents, and so on and so forth. It is a very wide variety of things. And let's say I want to get projects, tasks, and sprints. Let's say I'm working on an IT project and I will use this very much. The way you import this to a new page is just by going into get template, and once you're here, as you can see, the template will be applied to your page, and you can rename it however you want, tasks, whatever you want. You can select a new filter or a new icon rather, and you can just create it with whatever icon you want, let's say a panda, and as you can see, it changed to the panda. However, this took me to the tasks tab. I don't know why. If I go into sprints, this is what it'll look like. That shouldn't happen for you, but yeah, as you can see, you can select a new icon. Let's select the @ icon, and you can select a color even, let's say red, and now you can use this however you'd like. You have your sprints, you have the option to create new ones, you have the option to add more things to your sprints, and so on and so forth, view the timeline and everything. And yeah, in general, it is very simple to use, and that is how you import templates. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.